You sit at your desk, papers scattered and ideas bouncing around your head. Every new productivity system promises a fix, but they pile up and feel impossible to start. Complex productivity systems can be overwhelming. Take a breath. There's a smaller step you can try right now. Then, a tiny spark. A light bulb flicks on. You feel that aha moment, that little shift from stuck to possible. It whispers a simple idea. There is a simpler way. A sticky note appears. Just 2 minutes. It's short, tangible, and shockingly doable. That tiny prompt is the heart of the trick, and it changes how you get started. This is the 2-minute rule, popularized by David Allen in Getting Things Done. The rule is simple. If a task takes less than 2 minutes to complete, do it immediately. Short, clear, and built to stop small tasks from piling up. Here's a real example. You get a short email that needs a quick reply. Instead of saving it for later, you type a 2-line response and hit send. Replying to a simple email is a perfect example of the 2-minute rule in action. The result? Immediate progress and a small win that nudges momentum forward. Use the 2-minute rule for bite-sized tasks, making your bed, sending a quick message, clearing a small email. These tiny actions build momentum and free mental space. But don't force it on big projects. Writing a book or planning a trip needs a different approach. Use the rule as a tool. Pick small wins, grow confidence, then tackle the big stuff with real planning.